Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2025 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, tachometer. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.